Hello cyclists, today is Thursday, March 24th, 2022. Started a bike ride at 6 minutes after 12. A little slow getting out of the door again, just piddling around. Watched a couple bike races this morning while I was waiting on the temperature to warm up. I'm riding the Linsky R300 bike today. Weather is 67, 68 degrees, clear. Wind is out of the west at 10 miles an hour. High today is supposed to be like 70 degrees. Then the next couple days it could hit 80 degrees. I'm wearing a long sleeve, heavier weight, but not quite thermal jersey. No leg warmers, as you saw. And a light windbreaker jacket. Riding west on Wandering Meadow Drive in Woodridge Forest. Got a stiff headwind, but nothing like yesterday. It's going to be a windy day, but no 32-mile-an-hour gusts like yesterday. I don't think. Okay, today's route. I'm going to go south through Atascocita, loop through Walden, up to FM 1960, east across the river, or Lake Houston. At Fair Lake Lane, if they've paved some of the road, I'll go there. If not, I'm going to continue on straight east, northeast on FM 1960 to Liberty County. I'll make a U-turn there, come back to Huffman Eastgate, take that road west, and then at Hargrave High School I'll turn right, go to May Center, Community Center, then west on Wolf Road, FM 2100 south, Smith Road east. Now if by some chance I do go on Fair Lake Lane on Huffman Eastgate, I'll just stay on it instead of going to Community Center. Could be 38, 39 miles today. Riding northeast on Rocky Woods. This is a segment in Strava. The other day I made the local legend, so I want to add to my rides on this segment. Some azaleas are still in bloom. Hard to get the camera out of my jacket rear pocket. This is the construction area, FM 1960, just east of Atascocita Shores. It's not going to be too long before they start laying rebar and then concrete here. Back to the west, they're already starting. Dirt should be a lot drier today than the last time. Yes, it is. All right, starting across Lake Houston with a tailwind. The headwind, when I come back, the headwind is chilly. Tailwind, not so bad. the east side of Lake Houston. We got some road work signs up. I don't know if that's referring to Fair Lake Lane or FM 1960. We shall find out here. It's Fair Lake Lane. Looks like they're doing something. The road is definitely better than it was the other day. Yeah. Ah, okay. Goes for a little ways, as far as I can see. So we'll go this direction. This will change when I get to Liberty County line and make a U-turn on Huffman Eastgate instead of going to May Community Center. I'll just stay on Huffman Eastgate, go west to FM 2100. Still on Fair Lake Lane, rounded the S curve. There was a flagman there, but he said I could go, but the car behind me had to wait. Nice smooth road compared to what it was. Even before they ground off all the old asphalt. They got the asphalt trucks lined up. I guess the flagman was mistaken. They let me go. Here comes ongoing traffic. Looks like they got enough asphalt trucks lined up to go all the way from Old Atascocita Road to FM 1960. Looks like they're just starting back the other direction. Approaching FM 2100 at Old Atascocita Road. Looks like we got a bunch of traffic lined up here. Must be doing something to the south. Not sure what. We're gonna go on the sidewalk here. Riding north on FM 2100. Headed to the railroad tracks at FM 1960. Strong wind from the left front quarter. These lanes aren't open yet. As you can see from the barrels, I'll move over to the right when I get closer to the railroad tracks. At FM 1960, I'm going to be turning right. Stay on FM 1960 until I get to Liberty County. Still riding east on FM 1960 to Liberty County. Good thing I'm not riding west. Back about, 3/4 of a mile. There was this place, had a nice fence on it, or at least it looked like it. But the big black dog, it didn't slow him down one bit. Apparently, he knew better than to come across FM 1960 to chase me. Not because I'm so big and bad, but the traffic is. You might have been a bump. Still headed east to northeast to Liberty County line. These lights, this intersection is Huffman Eastgate. After I make the U-turn at Liberty County line, that's where I'll be turning right. That'll take me all the way to FM 2100. Nice tailwind is pushing me into Liberty County. I'll be fighting the headwind once I make the U-turn almost all the way back home. I'm at 25 point something miles, 25.3. Riding west into a strong headwind on Huffman Eastgate. There's Huffman Middle School. If I were to turn right on this street, that would take me to May Community Center. But I'm going straight into the wind. Still riding west on Huffman Eastgate. The traffic lights are FM 2100. We turn left. Headwind has been a bear. Approaching Smith Road at the traffic light. I'll be turning right. More headwind. Looks like they're putting a shoulder over there, so maybe so they can make a center turn lane. I'm not sure. Riding west on Smith Road, about to turn left onto East Lake Houston Parkway. Not sure what that road straight ahead is. It says lift station. So maybe that road goes there. Okay, I'm now on East Lake Houston Parkway. This will take me down to FM 1960. I'll turn right and go west over the river, or not the river, the lake, Lake Houston. Back at FM 2100 Smith Road. Not really able to go south of Smith Road because I have more road construction on FM 2100. So Smith Road came at an opportune location. Emerald Thicket Drive, it says. New houses. Stopped at the Exxon station at East Lake Houston Parkway and FM 1960 to eat a granola bar to give me energy to go across, fight the headwind from here all the way home. It's about 10 miles. Particularly going across Lake Houston, I'll be exposed. No break from the wind.